Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with a new video for you. This time I'll be showing you guys how I personalize my shampoo and conditioner courtesy of Functional Beauty. Are y'all ready? Cause I'm ready, so let's get into it. First up is the curly hair shampoo. Now to personalize my shampoo with the snap, pour, and shake method, you'll see that in a second, I'm going to be adding 3 hair goal booster shots to reach my top hair goals. I'm going to start with the strengthen booster because of course, you know, strengthened hair retains its length. Next is the soothe scalp shot to ensure a healthy itch-free scalp. And lastly, curl definition. Y'all know I had to. Frizz-free curls are always on my mind. Now that I've snapped open the booster shots and poured them in, it's time to shake, shake, shake. Each package of booster shots came with 2 pods for both the shampoo and conditioner. How convenient is that? Now I shook both the shampoo and conditioner for at least 15 seconds, and once you don't hear the solution sloshing around anymore, you'll know everything is fully incorporated. Now I must admit, physically adding my hair goals to my shampoo and conditioner just makes me that much more excited for my hair. It's really cool to feel like you've had a hand in getting the results that you want from your hair products. It also makes me excited to create another batch with different hair goals to help my hair with the specific need changes in the future. For example, there were other booster pods that were for anti-frizz, condition, thermal protection, lengthen, and more. But for now, my hair will bask in the ingredients added specifically for my hair goals, such as flax and chia seeds for definition, wood sugar to moisturize and soothe the scalp, and pea sprout to increase my hair's elasticity and protect against breakage. And what I loved about that shampoo was the slip that it had. And I also like for my shampoo to have some suds. I just need it in my life. The conditioner was really great too. There was plenty of slip, but I feel like I wanted just a little teensy bit more. But overall, my experience with both the shampoo and conditioner was really good. I felt like my hair got exactly what it was promised, and look how easy it is to detangle my hair. My hair wasn't, you know, squeaky, stripped, or anything like that. It felt really moisturized. I mean, look at all the shine already. I didn't even add the shine booster pot, and I'm getting so much shine already. Now, I know I've been talking about the products, but I want to make sure that you guys know the type of company Functional Beauty is. At their center, customization is their priority. From bone straight hair to the tightest curls, they are striving to develop products that can adapt to any hair profile using ingredients that work. Before their products even touch a strand on your head, Functional Beauty has made sure it's not only reached their standards, but surpassed them. Can you say extra credit? And if you have sensitive skin, no need to worry because Functional Beauty makes sure their formulations are non-irritating and non-sensitizing. And that's super important to me because the older I get, the more I'm starting to realize my skin is just not gonna handle anything I put on it. Now to the most important part. How do you get your hands on your very own customized shampoo and conditioner? Well, there are 2 ways. First being online. This is perfect for those of you who prefer a one-stop shop, already formulated just for you product. Just take Functional Beauty's online quiz to customize shampoo and conditioners specifically for you. Instead of adding hair goal booster shots yourself, Functional Beauty will do all the work for you and send out the finished product personalized with your name because it's just for you. You also get to choose from 2 product sizes and even more hair goal options. And when you order online, you'll get 20% off your first order. Okay, so let me tell you about the products I ordered. Whenever I shop for hair products, my biggest concerns are hydration, definition, and scalp health. Shampoos and conditioners are the basis of wash day, so if you want to reach your hair goals, be intentional from the beginning. Functional Beauty helps me do that by incorporating quality ingredients based on what you're looking for. For example, in my products, the star ingredients include sweet almond oil that helps to soften and strengthen hair, avocado oil, yes, you guys know how much I love avocado oil, that can help moisturize and for my strands, help define them. And of course, the OG of naturally curly hair, shea butter. Shea butter has a long list of benefits including anti-inflammatory properties, anti-frizz, and is super moisturizing. And that's exactly how my hair felt. Hydrated, moisturized, and really clean without feeling stripped. That's really important for me because I have low porosity hair, and low porosity hair is really prone to product buildup, so it's important for me to be able to cleanse my hair without having to use products with sulfates in them. As you can see, it's super easy to get exactly what you need right from your phone. But for anyone wanting to be a chemist for a day at home, make your Function of Beauty purchase at any Target retail location or go to Target.com and make your purchase online. You'll find all the hair gold booster shots and the shampoo and conditioner, of course, and you'll also get the opportunity to bundle it all together. Either way, you'll be getting clean, paraben, and sulfate-free products ready to give your hair exactly what it needs. Okay, you guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial. A very big thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.